There you go, Don. Sing it.
Oh my.
He was singing, "You are my sunshine, my only sunshine.
You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away."
Woohoo! There you go. Okay, that's probably more than you wanted, but anyway, you got it. So we are. I thought I would kind of redeem myself just a tad on that last one. And don't be going and sending me all kinds of little things like about the angel bit. I know I'm not an angel. I have no false hopes of being one. I'm too ornery at times, so I'm sure. But I might get wings. I'm hoping to get some wings when I get to heaven, because I am going there. I hope you get to join me. And we will just have loads of fun up there in heaven as we travel. Right, Rachel?
Amen, sister. Preach on. Preach on.
All right. So, anyway, just think. One more time, ladies. Ready?
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you.
Please don't take my sunshine away.